Good morning. Today, I'm addressing a malfunctioning issue that shouldn't have existed. I employed a welder to construct a rear access system for my truck, enabling easy loading and unloading of equipment for my business. Upon inspecting the work, I discovered the brackets had been improperly secured with only one bolt, violating safety and structural integrity. The weakened structure is unlikely to withstand heavy use, and it'll require re-drilling and proper reinstalling. In this video, you'll see me remove brackets and re-drill mounting holes, reinforce the system for reliable functionality. I've also integrated a gear reduction system for smooth door opening and closing, which is common in garage doors. Running a business, especially in lawn care, presents unique challenges, including fixing shortcuts. When a problem arises, it's crucial to ensure its repair complies with safety and structural standards. By tearing down and rebuilding the system, I'm highlighting the realities of business ownership and the responsibilities that come with it. If you enjoy real-life behind-the-scenes work, like equipment builds, repairs, or business operations, be sure to subscribe.